Hi, I'm Bela. Today I'm gonna share some top secrets on how to convert an old heavy backdrop into an easy portable one. I'll share the link of this old backdrop in the description box. To make this, I'll use 9 sheets of black paper laced with a leather effect and a cutout of my old backdrop. So I got 9 cutouts from my old backdrop. There is no fixed size, so it's totally up to you on how you would like to improvise. I made this because I always wanted something more lightweight and easy to carry for all kinds of photography. Take a look, leave comments and ideas on how we can collectively transform older, heavier backdrops.